Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Mr. Bond. I'm Anna.
And I'm Tom. It's so good to have you here again.
Today we have a cozy, relaxing topic. We're talking about our perfect Sunday.
Yes, Sunday is that one day when time feels a little slower. It's the day we relax, recharge, and prepare for the new week ahead.
We'll share our typical Sunday routines, from waking up slowly in the morning to winding down peacefully at night.
And while listening, you'll learn many useful English expressions about daily routines, rest, and family time.
So grab your coffee or tea, sit back, and let's enjoy a slow Sunday together in English.
Sunday's my day to relax.
Beautiful. Let's begin.
Let's start with the morning. Anna, what time do you usually wake up on Sunday?
Sundays are special because I don't set an alarm. No beep beep, just peace. I wake up naturally around 8 or 9 a.m. when my body feels ready.
Nice. That's a real luxury these days, to wake up without an alarm. I usually open my eyes around 8:30, stretch my arms, and stay in bed for a few minutes, just thinking about happy things.
Stretching feels amazing. I love to stretch my legs and shoulders before getting out of bed. It's like telling my body, good morning.
Exactly. After that, I always brush my teeth and drink a big glass of water. It helps me wake up gently.
Same here. Then I open the curtains to let the sunshine in. The light feels like energy. I open the curtains and let the light in.
That sounds poetic. After that, what's next?
Next, I make strong coffee in my favorite mug. Sometimes I light a scented candle and play calm music, something acoustic or instrumental. It turns the kitchen into a mini cafe.
That sounds amazing. I usually sit on the sofa with my coffee and read for about 10 minutes. Sometimes a novel, sometimes the Sunday news. Nothing too serious.
So no work emails, right?
No way. Sundays are email-free zones. That's my golden rule.
I love that. When you start your day slowly, it really sets a calm tone for the rest of the day.
Exactly. It's not about doing nothing. It's about doing things slowly, mindfully, and with joy. All right, let's talk about breakfast. The best part of Sunday.
Yes. On weekdays, I usually eat quickly, just toast or cereal. But on Sundays, I take my time. I make toast with butter and jam, sometimes scrambled eggs and fresh fruit.
That sounds delicious. My Sunday breakfast is special too. Pancakes with maple syrup, coffee, and sometimes bacon or sausages if I'm feeling fancy.
That's a proper Sunday feast. Do you eat alone or with your family?
Always with family. We sit together, no phones allowed, and we just talk about our week. What made us happy, what's coming next.
That's beautiful. I do the same. My family and I have a big table breakfast. We laugh, share stories, and sometimes plan a little trip for the afternoon.
We often play some background music, soft jazz, or a calm Sunday radio show. It makes the house feel warm and alive.
Perfect vibe. I have breakfast with my family and no phones.
Exactly. It's amazing how good it feels just to be present, to taste the food, listen, and enjoy the company.
Sometimes, after breakfast, we take our coffee outside to the balcony or garden. The morning air is cool, and everything feels peaceful.
That's a great idea. Maybe I'll try that next Sunday. After breakfast, I usually move to the sofa for some relaxed time. Maybe read, watch a short show, or just sit quietly and think.
Me too. Sometimes I listen to music or a podcast. something inspiring but gentle. Other times I water my plants, clean a little, or fold laundry slowly. It's strangely relaxing.
That's nice. Do you ever go out on Sunday mornings?
Yes, sometimes I go to the park with my family. The weather is nice. We take a long walk, breathe fresh air, and just enjoy the sunshine.
For me, Sunday mornings often for church. It's a quiet hour where I can feel grateful and reconnect with my community.
That's lovely. Everyone's Sunday looks a bit different, but the goal is the same: to feel peaceful, grateful, and re-energized.
Exactly. After church, I usually buy fresh bread from a local bakery. The smell is amazing.
Oh, that's wonderful. Sometimes I stop by the market to buy fruits or flowers. Little routines like that make Sundays feel special.
And after that comes lunch, definitely one of the highlights of the day.
Sunday lunch is my favorite meal of the week. At my house, we often cook something special: roast chicken with vegetables or creamy pasta with fresh herbs.
Sounds delicious. We also have a family lunch, sometimes barbecue in the garden if the weather's nice.
Barbecue sounds fun. Do your kids help you cook?
Yes, they help mix the salad, set the table, or prepare drinks. It's teamwork, and it makes them proud.
That's lovely. I think cooking together is a great family moment. You're not just making food, you're making memories.
Absolutely. After lunch, I often feel a little sleepy. Sometimes I lie down for a short nap, 20 minutes only, just to recharge.
Same here. A nap feels like a small gift to yourself. I don't nap every Sunday, but when I do, it's perfect.
Later in the afternoon, I might read a book, do a bit of gardening, or just sit outside with a cup of tea.
I love going for a walk or visiting my parents. Fresh air and family time always make me happy.
We often play board games or watch a movie together at home. Sometimes we make popcorn and turn off our phones. Simple joys.
I spend Sunday afternoon with my family.
That's the heart of it. Slowing down, enjoying people, enjoying life. As the sun goes down, Sunday evening feels quiet and warm. The light becomes soft, and everything slows down again.
Yes, we usually eat a light dinner, maybe soup, sandwiches, or leftover pasta. Something easy and comforting.
After dinner, I take a warm shower, then put on comfortable clothes, the coziest part of the day.
Same here. I like to light a candle or use lavender oil. It helps me relax.
Then I prepare for Monday. I check my bag, plan my clothes, and write a short to-do list for the next day.
That's smart. When you prepare a little on Sunday night, Monday feels less stressful. I also glance at my weekly schedule so I know what's coming.
After that, my family and I sometimes watch a movie or listen to gentle music. No emails, no serious talk, just quiet time together.
Sometimes I read a few pages of a book before bed. It helps me disconnect from screens.
And bedtime?
Usually around 10 p.m. Enough sleep for a fresh Monday. Before I sleep, I always say something I'm thankful for. It ends the week on a positive note.
That's beautiful. Gratitude turns an ordinary Sunday into something special.
Sunday is for rest and peace.
So true. Remember, friends, a good Sunday makes a good Monday.
See you next time on English with Mr. Bond.